Everybody smile!
Ay! Wala. Nakasilay din lahat sa ngayon na ako.
Padaanin niyo si...
Kinasena.
Ito kasi may magtagi. Kuha na lang ka.
Yung mga tuhod, masakit na, be.
Asay ka na lang.
Dito na kayo. Hindi na kaya, be. Natakpan siya. Pwede ba rito, na?
Kaya mo naman camera.
Kaya na yan.
Ay! 1, 2, 3.
Yan nga kay Tito.
Ako duda sa'yo, Rey.
Buo ka. Are, oh. One more. Nakahawak na po. Compress.
Ayan, okay na?
1, 2, 3.
Everybody smile! Wala na ba?
This is what Cousin one. The first one that she announced something like December 16 or
Okay, hello. Hello, Tita Mel. po. On December 17, like what Ninang Pepe said, no, I belong to a group called Hot Flashes. Why? It's obvious. So we play, our music is 50s, 60s. We can play 60s, 70s, and 80s. But since I guess some of you are gonna go and maybe watch us, we're gonna have a practice already by Wednesday, next week, and we're gonna sing old songs. Like for example, Tita Ninang Pepe was there with Tito Boogie and Tita Nova danced the boogie. Tita Lisa also watched it at one point, yeah. And this thing is we're gonna start early. We usually have our gigs at 9 o'clock, but this is a special thing because it's 2 bands. So mauuna yung mga matatanda, kami yun. Hirap naman, ano. So anyway, senior, okay. So, if you want to go, please, I'll have a piece of paper there. Kindly write down your name, and I will announce it in our thread, in Messenger. And I'm, for sure you guys will have fun, because we're gonna sing mga One for the money, mga tutti frutti, mga and then I think Tita Boots is gonna try to get a DI, I heard. But if not, there are DIs na nakakalat doon. So I would appreciate very much if you'll be there. It will be my honor that all of you will be there, you actors and actresses. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Alam niyo ang singer.
Year 1 is in Roses Avenue. Very malapit if you guys go around the area.
It's near Roses and
Roses and Tomas Huerta. You know where McDonald's is? Ang is there na?
Or Taste of LA.
Taste of LA. It's along that road. So, 7 o'clock. So if you guys want to have dinner there, pwede.
Ang sarap
If you
ng
want to get
pagkain.
drunk,
Walang biro. Ang sarap.
okay.
Lahat
Thank
ng
you again.
order ang sarap.
Ayan o, Tita was there and dance. Thank you.
Ang sorry. I can rock you around. Saya ko, saya. You're the fire. Mainit ako makikigutin.
Nandito pa, let's make the most of it na tayo po ay magkasama-sama. I mean, it's so nice to have loving friends. All positive. At ang mananaig sa atin is love. Yes. Love. Hanggang sa pasusunod. Asan si ano? Alana. Yeah. Masyadong malungkot yung ganun. Pero yung nagkasama-sama tayo lagi. At sa magandang samahan, may naiiwan. Even if siya ay nauna na, there's still, yung, ang saya, you missed her. You missed him. Kasi ang ganda ng pinagsamahan. And we will miss each and everyone. But never forget to pray sa ating mga kasama na nauna na sa atin. And I'm sure, probably nandyan lang din sila. Nakikita tayo, maaaring naka-smile din sila. Na nakikisama sa atin, we just can't see them. Pero ganun pa rin. Yun ang buhay. We have to accept that. Yun na yun eh. Wala nang iba, wala na tayong ibang pupuntahan. Yun na yun. Kaya habang tayo ay nandito sa mundo, nagkakasama-sama tayo, at lagi natin buksan natin. I wish you a Merry and a Happy New Year.
Kaya yung katahin to.
Let's twist again like we did last year. Round we go again. Baby, let me know I love you so again. Come on, let's twist again like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again like we did last year. Well, you ain't gonna rob it and you ain't no friend of mine.
Everybody dance. Hoy, Divina, dance.
Now don't let go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Get you ready, lay off my blue suede shoes. Then knock me down.
Ay, ito naman di mangyayari na mas wala akong sense. Biglang gano'n. Ano lang, ang meron ko na rin. Teka lang. Trainer na ito. Dati ako. Ikaw ko lang isa. Lakas. Or maybe yung sweat ko. Ito meron. Di ba? Bye! Sweat. Kasama ko si husband. Pamilala ko siya. Sabi ko, bakit ako dito pinagaya? Pamilala ko. Bakit dito? Yes, bakit ako?
Kaya mo nagkaayaw eh. Picture the picture.
Sabi na, ipapakilala ko ko. I-approve nyo. Husband ko na, i-approve na.
Anak ko to eh. Maliit pa, anak ko na to. Anak ko din ng yoga. Anak ko din ng yoga.
Eto na naman.
Bakit kayo?
Pakilaan. Tatabihan na naman. Tabihan. Dali. Dali.